So hello, so we will see how to connect the encoder in this video. So this is the port at which we have to connect the encoder, okay? And using this ring we have to tight this connector, and you can see we have installed the encoder at this side of the conveyor. So this is our encoder and installed with a spring loaded mounting properly, and this is our wheel, right? Okay, so it is a 2500 ppr encoder, as you can see on the model number, right? 5 to 24 volt operated encoder. ppr is written here, 2500, right? Just make sure every screws should be tight correctly, okay, on the wheel. Okay, so that's how this encoder works. If we run move the conveyor, it will work like this. So let's see on the screen. Okay, so first let's stop the print first and go to the setup, and here in the mode section we have to click on encoder. Okay, so that is how we need to select the encoder mode. Okay, so one thing that is really important that we need to keep in mind: if you have selected the encoder mode, you have to adjust the delay using this pulse option. So right now my pulse is 3000, right? So let's take one print at 3000 pulse and check where the print is coming onto the paper. Okay, so let's take the print. Okay, so this is the gap on that print is coming. Okay, so it is a huge gap and the print is coming almost on the center of the paper. Let's change the pulse so that print can come near to the edge of the paper, right? So right now it's 3000. Let's put this value to 2500. Okay, and let's save this and start the print again. Okay, let's check the print again. Okay, so you can see the print is shifting towards this side, right? So that is how we need to change the delay. Okay, so this is the print at 3000 pulse and this is the 2500 pulse. So that means if we are decreasing the pulse, print is shifting towards this side, and if we increase the pulse, print will shift towards this side, right? So that's how the pulse option work with the encoder mode. Okay, so now we have changed the pulse to 1000. Okay, let's check the print quality, print position again. Where does it print? Okay, so now it's printing at the edge of the paper because my pulse is now 1000. Okay, so that is how pulse affect the position of the print during the encoder mode.